quicksand.
Does it look here?
My turn.
Wait, Joyce, move because your shadow's there. Joyce, can you move?
This is popular.
Because it's her birthday.
Oh, yeah!
After can it be my turn? My turn. My turn.
Okay, can I go out now? Because I don't feel good. Okay, it's good. It's killing me.
Okay, wait.
Oh, yeah, wait. Look here, Jacob.
I want to feel how I feel.
Okay, now go out.
So, we
Okay, I agree.
Okay, go. Go, move out. Just
Sorry.
Why are you screaming?
Because look at me.
It goes inside. Hey.
Why are you so hard?
Okay, I'll never